Want to know how to check out your notifications or your alerts in Guru.com? Well, no worries. So you can get various notifications and alerts in Guru.com, which you can enable via your desktop side as well. But in this video, I'm going to show you how I can directly see it through the website itself. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, so simply open up your Guru.com website. You should be right here. And now once you open it up, you should be seeing various interfaces in front of you. So we have also created similar videos regarding Guru.com, which is on our website. So make sure to watch it. So once everything is done, and once you're under this interface, on the top right side, you should be seeing this bell icon right here. It should be right beside your profile, just simply like that. This is your alert or notifications tab, and this is how you check your notifications. So if there is any invitations, if there is any approval or declining of your resume, portfolio, and your job as well, it will show right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you check notifications in Guru.com. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.